You know what this needs? Yep, that's it. Let me show you how to build this super simple DIY sandbox using just some of my favorite HART tools. First, level the area where you want to put the sandbox. Next, we're going to be cutting 8 1x6x8 boards in half using a miter saw. Once the boards are cut, go ahead and apply your stain or paint. I even painted my brackets using black spray paint. Once everything was dry, it's time to attach the boards. I used my HART drill and exterior screws to attach the bottom layer boards together with the brackets. Once the entire first layer was built, we used a measuring tape to ensure it was centered around the tree. Before building the second layer, I used my favorite HART battery-powered staple gun to attach the gardening fabric to the inside of the bottom layer. The gardening fabric is going to help ensure that weeds don't grow up into our sandbox. Once the fabric was attached, we started piecing together the second layer. The second layer is attached the same way using brackets on the inside of the two boards to connect them together. To attach the bottom and top layer together, we used a bracket on the outside. Now it's time to add some seating. We simply measured the height of the interior sandbox and then cut 2x4s to that height. We attached the 2x4s to the inside corners using wood screws. Then we simply attached 1x6 boards right on top. You could fill the screw holes, but I just added another layer of paint. Finally, it's time to add the sand. To make sure that this sandbox was nice and full, we used 50 bags of 50-pound play sand. We had a little helper, but I'm not sure that he was much help. So much better. Not only does this sandbox serve as a super fun outdoor activity for us to do as a family, but it also is great for our curb appeal. And all it took was a few of my favorite HART tools, a 20-volt battery, and one day to complete. You can find links to all of my favorite tools that I use for this project and the complete tutorial in the description. Let me know what you think of our super budget-friendly outdoor sandbox. Thanks for watching Southern Yankee DIY. I'll see y'all next time.